In this video, the community monarch where the incident happened, where 17 soldiers were killed in Delta community, was declared wanted. But this monarch have come out to say that army doesn't know, or federal government don't know what they are doing, that he is innocent. Secondly, also in this video, 13 terrorists has been released by the order of the court, according to Defence Headquarters. And also in this video, Fulani terrorists who were terrorizing so many states and cities in the southern Nigeria were caught. Some were burned alive, while some of them were chased out of the community. So these are the things you are going to see in this video. Good day everyone. Today is Friday, 29th day of March 2024. Remember that about a month ago, I reported about 313 suspected terrorists. Well, I will not say suspected terrorists, they are terrorists. So the Nigerian soldiers captured them and they put them in prison waiting for the trial of court. So recently, that was on the 28th of March, the Defence Headquarters Abuja said that they were pressured to release these people, and they also use court to allow them to go to Borno State. Now, this is the article from the Premium Times. It says, the Nigerian Defence Headquarters says it released 313 terrorist suspects to the Borno government in compliance with the order of the Federal High Court in Maiduguri. Let me pause there. Now, I don't really know when it starts that government have started using court to release terrorists. And the government as well are still declaring people wanted, say they are looking for those who are terrorizing the country. Now, they were caught, the soldiers caught them on a mission with ammunition, with guns and everything. They are terrorists, they charge them as terrorists. But on detention, an order came from above that they should release those terrorists. So the soldiers are now saying that they were pressured to release these people. They did not charge them with the illegal possession of firearms. They did not charge them for kidnapping, for terrorism, and so on and so forth. Just leave these people. That is what they told them. So when we are telling you people that governments are behind all this insurgency, terrorism happening in Nigeria, and you cannot hide something you said you are looking for it by yourself. So there are so many things that Nigerians have not understand about the insurgency in Nigeria. Now let me read the second paragraph. It says the Director of Defense Media Operations, Edward Buba, and Army Major General who clarified on Thursday in Abuja, said the suspects were detained on suspicion. However, no evidence was found against them after an investigation. Now, I saw the video when they were arrested. I saw the video. What evidence do you need that you saw a group of people in area where they have been terrorizing, doing all sorts of things, and they are having, firearms that are more powerful than that of soldiers? At the end, you say you don't have evidence against them. Who are you deceiving? So these are the things we are saying, that Nigeria doesn't have a good system. Nigeria is not fair to people who are good in the country. According to him, the articles continue. According to him, the case were prosecuted by the Federal Ministry of Justice, where in the court order their release. So it is the court that ordered their release. Accordingly, they were handed over to Borno State government for further action, he said. So this is where the case coming. They were handed over to Borno State government for further action. What kind of action? What do they need? So if court has released them, why do they hand them over to another state government for further action? That is to tell you that these people are not innocent. So maybe Borno State government have to beg them, maybe give them amnesty, I don't know, but these people are the real terrorists. So meanwhile, the military said its troop of Operation Handikai have recorded massive success against Boko Haram and ISWAP terrorists after killing scores of them and arresting their collaborators during the week. Mr. Buba said that terrorist commanders and combatants also surrendered to troops in Jare, Chibok, Mongono, Goza and Bama local government areas of Borno State and Madagandi local government area of Adamawa State. According to him, the air component operation and the Kai conducted multiple air interdiction on terrorists in Arena Wonde and Tumbu Shiutu near the Chad on 22nd and 24th of March, respectively. So it was on this mission that more terrorists were caught and also neutralized. So that is it. And this is from another community also that they are chasing the Fulani herdsmen away from their community. You know, I told you in my previous videos that Fulani herdsmen has dominated, you know, in the southern part of Nigeria, and they are kidnapping massively. And a lot of people have alleged that, you know, people from the community as well are also giving them information that the Fulani herdsmen or terrorists are not working alone. I mean, people who are kidnapping, that they are not working alone, that they have insiders who are giving them information. Take a look at this video.
Yeah, so this is what is happening at Obaru now, in Obaru local government. Obaru came together today to drove all these headsmen today. A lot of things happening today in Obaru. Obaru is kind of so hot this morning. One Obaru, one love. I love you guys. I love this action this morning. They keep on destroying people's farm and making farmers regretting ever doing farming. Can you just imagine the population of just imagine the population. Just imagine the population. This is what is happening in Obaru today. This is what is happening in Obaru today. This is what is happening in Obaru today. Obaru, all the youths, elders of the villages in Obaru. This is what they are doing today. And I love that. Obaru, one love. Osomala omunanko obakoba ochuche akelozizo atani odepe ohita. This is what they are doing today. They're driving the X-Men out to Oga Junction for them to find their way out of Obaru. This is what is happening in Obaru local government today. I love the action. The action is massive. Guys are not smiling. Obaru youth are not smiling this morning. When I mean they're not smiling, they're not smiling. Watch population of Nama in one local government. Can you imagine?
And also in my community where I came from, in Delta State, some Fulani herdsmen who have been kidnapping in the community was caught and they were burned to death. You know, the graphics is not good for this video because YouTube might strike it. It's against the community guideline, but the video will be given to you based on request. If you comment on the comment section that you need the video, I will send it to you. However, let us listen to the monarch of Okocha community where 17 soldiers were killed. The monarch is among the people declared wanted by the military. Remember that guy that made that video saying that what happened between the two communities is not land dispute, that the soldiers came for Tompondo's mission of oil business and so on and so forth. That guy said that his father was a retired army. So the guy is also among people that was declared wanted. So let us listen to what this monarch said.
To the greatest of my surprise, I saw my name on the list of persons wanted in connection with this heinous crime. It is a shock to me because I have no hands in such things. I don't believe in anything that has got to do with truncating the lives of human beings. I am not in any way, shape, or form connected to this. Let it be stated clearly here that I haven't been able, even as a monarch, I haven't been able to access the kingdom till date. I got my staff of office on the 16th of November 2023. Now, prior to getting my staff of office, it's been turbulent. The government is sufficiently aware of my position. And I'm really very surprised and taken aback that my name as a monarch of the kingdom will appear in a list of wanted persons. I have no hands in killings. I have no hands in encouraging anybody to kill anybody. It is against my philosophy as a human being and my faith as a Catholic. It is against it. This is a serious crime against humanity. And I think they need to look at the appropriate places. They need to do a thorough investigation to know all those who have committed this and bring them to book and bring them ready.